In today's video, our discussion is all about the creating and designing a clipboard and then adding links to that clipboard image. To begin, let's start opening the fireworks. Click fireworks document and then set the size of the target menu, assuming 200 for the width and then 200 for the height and 125 for the resolution. White background. Click OK. So next, Control 0, click File and select Open. So we need to browse for the PNG format that previously downloaded. Click this file, click Open. Okay. Since the file was already a PNG format and a transparent, so all we need to do is to trace this one. We need to remove the pencil for us to be able to add the menu's name here. Okay, first lock the layer and then zoom on the first part of the clipboard area, assuming on this part, topmost part. So from the ruler, so we need to get one guide. Position here, click drag downward. Okay, so next we need to trace it using pen tool. Click pen tool, select the color from the fill effects, select the border line for the stroke line, black, and then soft. Let's change it from 1 to 2 as the thickness. Okay, and then click drag. And then click drag, click drag. Click drag, click, and last lock for the first and last node. Okay, so it automatically applies the color and the color for the fill and for the stroke. So let's check the corners. So use the sub-selection tool, and then click on the nodes to properly arrange the alignment. So let's check all the corners. Okay, press Ctrl 0 and then okay, lock this one, lock this one, and next we need to trace the paper. So we need to use the existing guide. One, two, three, four. Oops. And remove this one. One, two. Okay. So since it is already aligned, so we need to create the paper. So let's rename this one first. Double click. Brown board. The board. Next, the clip. So we need to trace first the paper. Control 0. Zoom on the paper part only. And then select rectangle. So change the fill color to white. And then from 2, change to 1. Enter. Click drag. Okay. So we need to move this one downward. And then lock. Rename this one into paper. Lock. And then let's trace this one. Okay, so we need to create again a color gray for the clip, paper board clip. So use this one, rectangle again, and then position here, trace this one. Next, we will remove the line, change the solid to gradient. So we will look for a pattern, same thing with the original. Control Z, gradient, region. So I think we need to look for something which is closely related. So let's try this one, and then let's rotate. Okay, let's change the color. it should be something. Okay, so move this here. Let's change the color from dark to light. So dark color here. So add here another color. Click once, double click, single click, change the color. Okay, so it should be something like this one. Let's try. Another one. It's not look like the same. So we will try to look for the best color. Okay. Okay, so I think this one is the nearest color design. And then move downward, click drag, lock, and then we try to trace this one. So first align the guide. Next, zoom closer. Use the pencil tool again. Click, 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 click. Oops. Control Z. Click. Control Z. Click, 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 click. Until such time we reach the final close for the nodes. Oops, that's not the color. Okay, so this is not the perfect one. And then click drag, drop, and lastly the other. One, two. One, two. Okay, so pen tool again, click, change to gradient, and then okay. Next is okay, so block height. Oops. So this one mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. So this one should be okay. Next, let's trace the pencil. To begin, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Control negative. And 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And 2, 1, Z, Control Z. Okay. One, two, three, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. Next, unlock all the pencil parts. Then highlights all the parts of the pen and group. Control G, rotate the image. Bring the image on top, and then lock. So let's group this object. One, two, group, Control G, and then we can resize the background. And then delete this one. And let's combine all of this into group. Okay, Control 0, fit canvas, and then move this upward. Fit canvas and then copy. Highlight group. Copy and then paste in here. Oops, it's too small. Fit canvas. So the height 400. Transparent. So we can move this one here. This is the pen. Let's check. Okay, checklist. Resize the pen first. Okay, so let's create font. 15. Type checklist of drawing tools. So let's align at the center, click to canvas and align horizontal center. Okay, then we change the size, 15, it's okay. Then fit canvas. So let's try importing this object to Dreamweaver, and then we need to add link. So copy, paste, oops, copy, paste, and then number 001. Change it to 20. Copy, paste, oops, click copy, paste, copy, paste, copy, paste, copy, paste. Okay, and then we will add box, checkbox, zoom block, and then white, zoom in, Control 0, and then save. Change it to something red, wood, save. Desktop, trace from trace mode, testing, and then checklist. Okay, and close this one. No. Open Dreamweaver. Click HTML. So save the file. Testing. Checklist. Checklist. .html. Next, insert image, and then select this one. Click OK, and then click OK. Okay, so if the image is good enough, let's play it on the browser. Preview in the browser. I think this is a good one, so we need to add link from here. Okay, so to add link, go to Dreamweaver, click the image, and then select this one, rectangular hotspot tool. So highlight this one. Okay, copy the hotspot by using the pointer hotspot tool. Click, copy, paste, move downward, oops, copy and then paste, copy, paste, copy, paste, copy, paste, copy, paste. I think I forgot to change the number. It's all 001. So, and then save. Click in browser again. And let's find out what will be the mouse pointer. Oops, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, so we go back to the fireworks and we will try to open the PNG file to change the number of the checklist. Okay, so open checklist.png and let's change the numbering. Zoom, use the zoom tool, text tool, this will be number 2, number 3, number 4, number 5, and number 6. Okay, next, save, and then close, and let's check, refresh. Okay, so that's it. So now the image is now ready to have a link. So let's go back to the Dreamweaver. So click this one. This one is selected. So we add here link 001.html. So let's try different target, blank, enter. So 002.html, and then the target is parent. Next, 003.html, and the target is 003.html, blank, parent set. 004.html, and the target is tab. Okay, so let's try first the first 4 link with different target. Click save, we go back, refresh. Okay, so let's check. That is the blank connecting to 001.html. The connection or the link is in place. So let's check the 002.html. Okay, so this is the self 002.html. Connect on the existing page. Click back. 003.html. That was the parent. This is the self. Almost the same. And last is the tab. Almost the same. So the tab can only be function if and only if we have a lot of frames with tab frames. So since this is a single page, it will connect to the existing page. Okay. For more info about how to connect files, creating graphics, thank you for viewing, and please like, share, subscribe, and watch the full video. Thank you.